Coping with overwhelming emotions, the RESIST technique, presented by the University of North Georgia's Student Counseling Department. Emotions can be powerful. Sometimes, they feel so overwhelming that we act on urges we later regret. From overeating to more serious behaviors, these urges can take control. But there's hope. In this video, we'll explore the RESIST technique, a set of 7 strategies from dialectical behavior therapy. These tools can help you tolerate distress and resist unhealthy urges. RESIST is an acronym. Each letter represents a technique you can use when emotions threaten to overwhelm you. You don't have to use all 7 at once, just choose the ones that fit your situation. R is for reframing. Reframing means shifting perspective. Instead of thinking in black and white terms, look for shades of gray. For example, I'll never stop feeling anxious becomes, I feel anxious now, but I've managed it before. This isn't about denying your pain, it's about seeing the situation more realistically. E is for engage. Distraction works best when it's mindful. Telling yourself, "Don't think about it," rarely helps. Instead, immerse yourself in an activity, play music, read, or cook. The key is to fully engage, so your mind shifts away from the urge. The first S is for someone else. Focusing on someone else is powerful. Helping a friend, volunteering, or simply listening can redirect your energy. Make a list of ways you can connect with others, so you're prepared when emotions arise. I is for intense sensations. Safe, intense sensations can replace harmful urges. Try holding an ice cube, taking a hot or cold shower, or engaging in a quick, intense workout. These physical experiences distract your mind and satisfy the need for intensity, without harm. The second S is for shut it out. Sometimes, the best choice is to step away. If your environment is fueling distress, leave it. If you can't solve the problem right now, imagine placing it in a box and setting it aside. This mental exercise helps you pause until you're ready to revisit the issue. The first T is for neutral thoughts. Neutral thoughts calm the storm. Count to 10, notice colors around you. Or repeat a grounding phrase like, "It is what it is. I accept this moment." These thoughts don't add fuel to your emotions, they help you settle. The final T is for take a break. Put off a chore, take a day for self-care, or simply rest. Breaks are healthy when used wisely, they give you space to recharge without creating new problems. Shut it out and take a break may seem similar, but they serve slightly different purposes. In shut it out, the goal is to limit sensory or emotional input to keep your distress from escalating. In take a break, the goal is to create distance so you can return with a calmer, clearer mindset. Let's see RESIST in action. Imagine you're talking with your partner, and they make a joke that leads you to feel judged. The urge to self-injure rises fast. Here's how RESIST helps. 1. Reframe, I know them. They didn't mean harm. Maybe I'm just not in the headspace to appreciate their humor right now. 2. Engage, play a video game, read a book, reorganize your room, or watch a funny video to distract yourself. 3. Someone else, call a friend to chat or check in on them. 4. Intense sensations, hold an ice cube in your hand until it melts. Splash cold water on your face, take a hot shower, or do 1 minute of intense exercise. 5. Shut it out, excuse yourself briefly to use the bathroom, or put on headphones with calming music or noise reduction capabilities. 6. Neutral thoughts. Recite the alphabet backwards, identify something of each color around you, or recall and sing your favorite song. 7. Take a break. Create some distance from your partner while you recenter yourself. Go for a walk, grab a coffee, or take a nap before attempting to talk things through with your partner. If this occurred virtually, conclude the conversation and turn off notifications for a while. RESISTT gives you 7 tools to manage overwhelming emotions. Practice them, and you'll build resilience over time. With RESISTT, you can pause, cope, and protect your well-being. If you are experiencing a mental health emergency, please contact 988 or local law enforcement, or go to your nearest emergency room. If you need or would like additional support in building your distress tolerance skills, please reach out to our offices by calling 706-687-4402 or walking into one of our offices. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out any of our other self-help videos on our YouTube channel.